So everything here is in fractions, and we know that we want something up here, and it might be easier if we worked with decimals. So let's change these to decimals. We know 1 1/2 is 1.5, but you may not know what to do with the 15/4. To figure out what this is as a decimal, you just take 15, the top number, the numerator, and divide it by the denominator 4, which is 3.75. So cross that out. Now, to figure out your constant of proportionality, we need to figure out what number can you multiply 1.5 by to get 3.75. And you do that by doing 3.75 divided by 1.5, and that gives you 2.5. So that's your constant of proportionality. In other words, that's the number we need to multiply the amount of grape juice in the recipe to figure out what we want. Now, once again, we have 3/4 and 2.5. You know 3/4 is 0.75 is the same as. We're going to multiply that by 2.5, and that gives you 1.875. So that's how many quarts we want, 1.875, to be able to complete our recipe.